So this is the effect of being a PLA part being submerged for 24 hours in 3 mole concentrated solution of potassium hydroxide. Initially it didn't look like there is something wrong with it, but it's very easy to crumple it and it's very mushy. So this thing was part of the big one and it actually tore off by the force of its own weight, and the layers are delaminating. So yeah, PLA is not good with strong bases and strong. It's the same as I read with sodium hydroxide, but hydrolysis is pretty strong with most of these 3D printable plastics. The temperature was about 22 degrees centigrade Celsius. Yep. I won't be able to make 3D parts to be holding the electrodes I am using with a 3D printer unless I get one of these fancy plastics. Okay, thanks for watching. Just wanted to have it uploaded for someone who wonders like me whether 3D printed PLA can withstand strong bases and caustic solutions. Bye.